Hey everyone, welcome to AzuraCast, where we learn, heal, grow, and glow. I'm your host, Azura. Today, we're going to talk about something super important: how to set achievable goals. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who's looking to improve their life, setting goals is a crucial step towards success. And I'm sharing with you 5 tips on how you can do it, plus a bonus tip in the end of the video. So stay tuned and let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about why setting goals is important. Goals give us direction and purpose. They help us stay focused and motivated. Without goals, it's easy to feel lost and overwhelmed. So let's make sure we're setting goals that we can actually achieve. One of the best ways to set goals is using the SMART criteria. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break down each one of these elements. Specific. Your goals should be clear and specific. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 3 times a week and eating balanced diets. Measurable. Your goals should be measurable so you can track your progress. For example, I want to save $1,000 in 6 months by saving $167 each month. Achievable. Your goals should be realistic and attainable. It's great to aim high, but make sure your goals is something you can actually achieve with the resources and the time you have. Relevant. Your goals should be relevant to your life and aspirations. Make sure it's something that truly matters to you and align with your values. Time-bound. Your goals should have a deadline. This helps stay focused, motivated. For example, I want to read 12 books in a year by reading 1 book each month. That we know how to set SMART goals, let's talk about some tips to make sure we achieve them. First tip, break down your goals. Instead of setting one big goal, break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes it less overwhelming and easier to track your progress. Tip 2, create a plan. Write down the steps you need to take to achieve your goal. Having a plan helps you stay organized and focused. Tip 3, set milestones. Set milestones along the way to celebrate your progress. This keeps you motivated and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Tip 4, stay accountable. Share your goals with friends or family members who can help you keep accountable. You can also use apps or journals to track your progress. Tip 5, be flexible. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. Be flexible and adjust your goals if needed. The important thing is to keep moving forward. Now, it's the time for the bonus tip. Create a vision board. Creating a vision board helps in setting achievable goals by providing a visual representation of your aspirations, which can enhance motivation and maintain focus. It encourages self-reflection and clarifies your goals, helping you envision yourself achieving them. Also, vision boards serve as a constant reminder of what you are trying to achieve, keeping your goals at the forefront of your mind. They also help increase self-awareness and identify areas where you might struggle with self-limiting beliefs. By regularly reviewing your vision board, you can track your progress and stay motivated. Remember, setting and achieving goals is a journey. It's okay to make mistakes and learn along the way. The key is to stay committed and keep pushing forward your dreams. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to give that video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below with your goals. I would love to hear what you are working toward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!